I'm going to describe what a meme coin is in the simplest terms I can. So a meme is a popular image, phrase, or idea that spreads across the internet organically and virally and often carries symbolic meaning representing a particular phenomenon or theme. And a coin, in this context, is a digital asset unit of value, which is created as a code-based contract stored on a cryptographically secured database called a blockchain. You can have a meme without a coin and a coin without a meme, but put meme and coin together and you get a meme coin, a blockchain-based token whose value is driven mostly by internet culture and community rather than traditional fundamentals like company earnings or product utility. The ability to connect, share, and grow shared values has real value, and that value can now be owned and traded by holders. People buy and hold them to feel part of a shared idea or movement. They speculate on them, hoping to capitalize on rapid price swings, and occasionally they have some utility in terms of donations or gateways to digital products or art releases. So, a meme coin is internet culture turned into a tradable digital asset. Its value lives at the intersection of blockchain tech and collective vibes. It's a growing space and continually changing, just like memes themselves, and likewise, the large majority of them are fleeting, but a few permeate throughout culture and can be very valuable. Bitcoin itself is considered the first meme coin by many. If you're also interested in the future of art, design, and money like I am, then follow me on my channels.